Okay, so hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to go over your questions on 4253, converting between radians and degrees, the homework. It looked like the only two that gave anybody any problem was these two at the bottom here, numbers 7 and 8. And basically what they boil down to is you have to ask the question, what portion of the clock is represented by the hands? In other words, the clock is a circle, 360 degrees. So when the hands form a time, what angle is formed by that? What portion of that circle is represented by the hands? So at 2 o'clock, clock looks like this. I'm going to turn on the pen here. Okay, the clock looks like this. Okay, at 2 o'clock, you've got this. This is 12, 1, and 2, right? So this is at 2 o'clock. That's what the hands look like. All right, well, we know that there are 12 hours around the clock. Okay, so if we divide the entire clock into 12, that's 30 degrees per hour, meaning every number here on the clock, 1, 2, 3, each one represents 30 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so 60 degrees in radians, okay, pi over 180 is pi over 3 radians. Okay, so that's the portion of the circle represented by those hands at 2 o'clock. Okay, now what about 18 minutes? Okay, now we're talking about 18 minutes. Suppose it starts, okay, it starts up here at 0 minutes. Okay, here's 15, right about here would be 15, 18 minutes would be here. Okay, well, again, there's 60 minutes in a clock. So if I divide the entire clock 360 degrees by 60, then I know each minute is worth 6 degrees. Okay, because 360 degrees divided by 60 minutes. Okay, each little tick of the minute in the clock, okay, is going to be 6 degrees. Okay, so times 18 times 6, okay, is how many degrees? 18 times 6, 108. Okay, so 108 in radians, 108. Okay, pi over 180. Okay, I know 36 goes into 108 3 times, and 36 goes into 180 5 times, so it's 3 pi over 5. Okay, and that's it for those two. Okay, again, it's just what portion of the clock is represented by the time that they're giving you, whether it's in hours or minutes, and then what portion of 360 degrees is that, and then convert that to radians. All right, I hope that clears everything up. Talk to you next time.